the high-functioning autistic boy, about 14 years old, at a middle school. His mother was very upset about her son. He was bright, but he wasn't doing well in school. His grades were going down, and he didn't want to go. He was having nightmares. He didn't want to walk home from school. He was afraid of the kids that were teasing him. They had allotted, I think, like enough money to pay for 15 sessions. And after only 5 sessions, he didn't need any more. He was actually had made friends with his bullies, and the teachers couldn't believe they were laughing on the playground together.
Many professionals believe that somebody on the spectrum can't possibly learn how to deal with bullying on their own. That you have to protect them. I discovered, I've had a few kids over the years who are on the spectrum, and I discovered they can get it if they're smart.
They're
They
bright.
get the basic idea.
Most of them are very good at following rules. So once he learned this role play, I mean, by the third session, he was getting it because his mother would always come with him. And he was starting to catch on to it so much. He said he wanted both of us, bring it on. He wanted both of us to tease him.